What's going on, YouTube? Y'all already know what I'm going to say. All rights reserved, fair use act. Shout out to my guy, make all this happen. Your boy C / Minister of Information back. Showing y'all again that these methods do work, as y'all can see. And I'm using TubeBuddy. I'm affiliated with them. They do have good tools and good product, especially in the search engine. You know, really that's my best part about the TubeBuddy is they search engine. I'm showing y'all that this work, and thanks to TubeBuddy and they search engine, I'm ranking number one that y'all see in Google. You know, that's a good thing about the TubeBuddy. It really do help. And we'll go back to y'all, I'm out of the internet. Sorry about that, y'all. My thing running a little slow. Let it catch up. But again, I'm doing the thing about the again, I'm doing a video about the hold up, y'all. Sorry again about that, y'all. We're gonna go back now. Let's do this. Let me see if this. Yeah. All right, give me a few, y'all. Again, I'm doing that's a little quick video on the TubeBuddy. It do work. As y'all see, I ranked a few videos with it. Just rank that one. Let's see if this in how we go with YouTube. Here we go, y'all. Again, I'm doing this for TubeBuddy. And here we go. There we go. As y'all see, TubeBuddy do work. That's me right there, 10 minutes ago. Ranking quick is number one on Google and number one on YouTube. You know, Google is the biggest search engine in the world, and YouTube is number two. And as y'all see, it do work. I just ranked that video as the number one video, as y'all see, going down. And that's what I like about the TubeBuddy. They keyword explore. It really worked. Again, that's my favorite tool on there on the TubeBuddy. As y'all see, it's installed. It do work. I showed y'all. I ranked number one on YouTube. You just gotta know how to do this stuff. And again, shout out to TubeBuddy for helping me. Great tool. Y'all need to go out and purchase it.